In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look at least 10 pounds slimmer by wearing your clothes just a little bit differently. To find out how, watch this video. Welcome to my channel, to all ladies over 50 who want to look and feel fabulous. And a special warm welcome if you're new here. So today I'm really excited to be sharing style tips and tricks for ladies over 50 to consider when we want to look a little bit slimmer. So if this sounds good to you, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And don't forget, I list each of the items that I wear underneath the video in the video description if you scroll down, both for my UK and my US friends, so that you can shop for them. Now, first of all bodies are beautiful and amazing. Beauty is in every shape and we should celebrate that. But whatever your weight and size, you may feel happier creating the illusion of looking slimmer to feel better in yourself and give yourself more self-confidence. So let's get started. I'm going to give you 6 tips and tricks on how to make your body look longer, how to wear clothes to lengthen your body and to make yourself look leaner. I'm also going to show you how to create a longer looking leg. Of course, there are lots of ways of trying to make yourself look a bit slimmer. Things that you always hear about, such as don't wear baggy clothes, don't wear big prints, cinch yourself in with a belt. But today I'm going to talk about some lesser known tips and also focus more on looking longer and leaner. So, style tip number 1 in how to create a longer line. Wear V-necks. Wearing V-necks around your throat and neck will create a long vertical line that draws the eye down the body, so it makes you look longer and slimmer. Now you can wear V-necks in everything that you put on, not just the neckline such as this one, but also in terms of the jewellery. I'm wearing a pendant here, for example, not a round chain. So again, it's drawing the eyes down. Also, when you wear blouses, for example, they're good for a V-neck effect because obviously they open in a V shape. Wrap-around dresses, wrap-around tops are great, and even scoop necks are okay. But the idea is to draw the eye downwards, right from your throat down to your toes. Now, if you're a little bit worried about showing your neck and throat skin, a good tip is actually to wear a long scarf because it'll go around here like this, and as long as you wear it long, it still has the same effect of drawing the eye down. So let's look at the outfit that I'm wearing here in action to show you how it works. Okay, as you can see here, I'm wearing a V-neck. Now, this is a beautiful metallic little top. Actually comes from River Island, but I've got some similar ones that I'm going to link down below. And I'm wearing it in all of the sort of same tones. So you've got the metallic, slightly champagne pale gold, and then you've got the cream trousers, but the whole effect is downwards. I'm wearing the pendant that's bringing the eye down and the V-neck as well, and at the bottom I've got some beautiful nude shoes. These fabulous shoes, they are my absolute favorite to die for shoes. They are transparent virtually, and they come from Shoots. And you can get that online. I'll put the link down below. This is possible for UK and America. Style tip number 2 to create a longer line. Wear monochromatic solid colours. And it doesn't have to be black. So wearing monochromatic solid colours from head to toe creates the illusion of length. It creates the illusion of slimness. Now, this is particularly the case if you wear clothes that are fairly fitted. I don't mean skin tight because that's another fashion faux pas if you want to look slimmer. Don't wear too tight clothes, but make sure they're well fitted. Now, as I said, don't necessarily think of monochrome as black. You can also go for something really bold, such as this outfit here. So outfit number 2 is this fabulous orange, burnt orange, almost I would say, dress from Zara. Now this is their new summer collection. So again, I've linked it down below. You should get that before they sell out. I've also teamed it with the same gold pendant, which is looking, you know, the vertical V shape, and those gorgeous shoes. Now I know you're going to say that's not a V-neck. So although it's not V, it's down here. So you've got some skin here, and the whole effect of this gorgeous dress is a vertical line. Avoid short round necks right up to here, because basically they just cut you off, and boat necks are a bit of a problem if you're trying to look longer and leaner. It's also emphasized by these lovely lines, the ribbing in the dress as well, and because it's a midi length, almost long, it actually takes the eye all the way down. So this should stop you thinking that one colour is boring, because this dress is anything but boring. But what I want you to think about is what we normally wear is two colours, isn't it? We wear a bottom half, we wear a top half, and they're often different colours. But if you do that, what you're doing is creating a line across the waist. You're cutting yourself in two, basically. So when somebody looks at you, they see you to the waist and you from the waist to the feet. There is no long line. Now, what you're doing with wearing one colour down is creating a whole long slimming, elongating effect. I'm just going to show you one more outfit because I can't resist it. It's the one I'm wearing, actually. This shows this as well. Again, it's a long line. It's got the vertical ribbing effect. It's got the necklace going down. The whole look is long. Now, obviously, it's not just dresses that you do this with. It's making sure that you're wearing things in one tone or close to one tone, whether they're trousers, skirts, tops, whatever they are. Style tip number 3, to create a longer line, wear darker bottoms. Now I've just mentioned wearing two items of clothing, obviously, trousers or skirts and tops, but make sure that when you do that, the bottom part of your clothing, so the trousers or the skirt, is a darker shade than the top. Now, this is particularly the case, of course, if you're wearing trousers and you're trying to camouflage the fact that your legs are perhaps not as slim as you would like. And darker bottoms also makes the heavier part of you look slimmer. So my next outfit is showing this in action. Okay, so here I'm wearing some really gorgeous black trousers. Now, I got these from Guess, and they're the Marciano range within Guess, and I'm going to give you some options for links underneath for this because they do the most fabulous black trousers. Sleek, fitted, but not too tight. Now, what I've teamed it with here is a sort of a little bit of a V here, but an off the shoulder. Now, if you saw my last video where I was teaming things with shorts, you'll know that off the shoulder is a little favorite of mine because it shows a little bit of skin, but not too much. And here again with this top, it gives a slightly more sexy look. So this is probably more of an evening look, but it also shows the colors in that it's a darker top, it's a dark top rather, but darker bottoms as well. But they're all in more or less the same tone. You'll also note that the top I've chosen has again some ribbing downwards vertically, so it helps with the whole slimming effect. So now let's focus on tips, not just to make the whole look of the body longer, but to focus specifically on an area that is often a problem for us all, which is the legs. Style tip number 4, to create a longer, thinner looking leg. Don't wear round-toed shoes. Instead, always wear a pointed shoe. Doesn't have to be very uncomfortably pointed, but just slightly pointed in all types of shoes. Sandals, pumps, court shoes, boots, everything. So to show you what I mean, something like this is what you should steer clear of. I know they're just flip-flops, and a lot of flip-flops come in this sort of shape, but essentially don't go for the rounded thing because the eye of somebody goes all the way down your body, great, gets to the bottom and it's, oh right, this is a blunt cut, that's the end of the body then, fine, okay. And it shortens your body. Instead, wear something like this. Now, these are not uncomfortably pointed at all. As you noticed, I was wearing this in the last outfit. They're incredibly comfortable, but what they do is they continue that lovely, long, slim, vertical line down your body, right off the end of your feet. Another option which works fairly well are something like these square-toed shoes. These are mules. These are very on trend for this year. They're okay, but I still think pointed is probably better. And of course, another quick point while I'm still talking about shoes, obviously heels elongate the look of the body and the look of the legs way more than flats. So just bear that in mind. Style tip number 5, to create a longer, slimmer looking leg. Avoid low-rise jeans and trousers. So what do low-rise jeans and low-rise trousers do? Well, they shorten your legs badly. They shorten them, they make it look like the legs stop lower down than they actually do, and that makes them look wider as well. So if you want slimmer looking legs, you must avoid low rise. What's the solution? The solution is easy. Wear high rise jeans and high rise trousers such as these. Now these are really good. You must have your high rise at least to cover the belly button and as high as possible really, but you'll find them quite easily because they're actually very on trend this year. They make your legs look longer and thinner and they're great with heels or with flats. So in this outfit, you can see that I'm wearing high-waisted Sosanda jeans. Again, I'll put the link below for you so you can have a look at those. And a lovely honey-coloured top. I have featured this before in one of my videos, but it's absolutely lovely. It's Massimo Dutti. And again, I'll put a very similar one below because it may be sold out by now. And my gorgeous Schutz shoes. I'm also wearing the gold jewellery and the pendant, which picks up the whole V effect. And although the top is not a V-neck absolutely, it's got the V shape here. So the whole effect is longer. This outfit also brings together many of the elements I've been talking about throughout this video. So it's showing the pointed shoes, it's showing the V-neck, it's showing the pendant, it's showing the darker bottoms. Which brings me on to my style tip number 6 to create a longer looking not only body but particularly legs, slimmer legs, is wear nude shoes, and especially heels if you can. Quite simply, if you want to look like you've got longer, slimmer legs, you should wear nude shoes. So obviously the best ones are completely transparent, like these Schutz shoes that I absolutely adore. But any kind of nude shoes will be fine, any that are close to your skin tone, basically. And that will elongate and slim down the look of your legs. So there you are, ladies, 6 style tips and some lovely little outfits which I hope have inspired you and given you some inspiration on how you can look slimmer, more elongated and look like you've got slimmer and longer legs. And don't forget the links to all the items, or at least very similar, are listed in the video description underneath, and I've listed links both for my UK and for my US friends. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Bye.